Now I am going to teach you the bond of learn lesson from the unit 9. In this lesson, we will see how the pure bond of one bear and one lady. So let's start from the paragraph 1. I will begin with Bruno, my wife's pet sloth bear. I got him for her by accident. So now in this lesson, writer is Kenneth Anderson, who is talking about his wife and the sloth bear, how he found that bear by accidentally. 2 years ago, we were passing through the sugarcane fields near Mysore. People were driving away the wild pigs from the fields by shooting at them. Some were shot and some escaped. We thought that everything was over when suddenly a black sloth bear came out panting in the hot sun. So, this is the story about before the 2 years ago. They were passing in the sugarcane fields near the Mysore. So, when they were driving, they saw the people are shooting the pigs. So, some pigs got shot and some escaped. And in that time, they saw the sloth bear. Now, I will not shoot a sloth bear, went on Lee. But unfortunately for the poor beast, one of my companions did not feel that way about it and promptly shot the bear on the spot. So writer was not ready to shoot that bear, but one of his companion, one of his friend shot that bear. As we watched the fallen animal, we were surprised to see that the black fur on its back moved and left the prostrate body. Then we saw it was a baby bear that had been riding on its mother's back when the sudden shot had killed her. The little creature ran around its prostrate parent, making a pitiful noise. So when his companion shot that bear, when it was lying on the ground, what they saw, there was a baby bear on his back. And that bear was making noise, he was crying, he was feeling very pity. I ran up to it to attempt a capture. It scooted into the sugarcane field. Following it with my companions, I was at last able to grab it by the scruff of its neck while it snapped and tried to scratch me with its long hooked claws. So when baby bear get quite sad, feel sad. So he was now hiding himself, and the writer and his companion was following that baby bear. So finally they got him, and when that writer was picking him up on that time, that baby bear was doing nothing. He was actually quite sad, quite scared, so that he was hooking his claws. We put it in one of the gunny bags we had brought, and when I got back to Bangalore, I duly presented it to my wife. She was delighted. She at once put a colored ribbon around its neck, and after discovering the cube was a boy, she cherished it Bruno. And what he do? Writer put it that baby bear to his wife. He gave her that surprise gift, and by seeing that baby bear, his wife got very happy, and she named that baby bear Bruno. Bruno soon took to drinking milk from a bottle. It was but a step further, and within a very few days he started eating and drinking everything else. And everything is the right word, for he porridge made from any ingredients, vegetables, fruit, nuts, meat, especially pork, curry and rice, regardless of condiments and chilies, bread, eggs, chocolates, sweets, pudding, ice cream, etc., etc., etc. So now bear is growing up, and by the time he is eating all the things means everything. As for drink, milk, tea, coffee, lime juice, aerated water, buttermilk, beer, alcoholic liquid, and in fact anything liquid, it all went down with relish. So he was not only eating, he was drinking all the things also like human being. The bear became very attached to our two Alsatian dogs and to all the children of the tenants living in our bungalow. He was left quite free in his younger days and spent his time in playing, running into the kitchen and going to sleep in our beds. So now they have the two dogs, and that bear was very comfortable, feeling so comfortable with that dog also. Even the children of their colony also playing with that bear. One day an accident befell him. I put down poison, barium carbonate, to kill the rats and mice that had got into my library. Bruno entered the library as he often did, and he ate some of the poison. Paralysis set into the extent that he could not stand on his feet, but he dragged himself on his stumps to my wife, who called me. I guessed what had happened. Off I rushed in the car to the vet's residence. A case of poisoning, 10 beer, barium carbonate, what to do? So, one day what happened? The writer put it one barium carbonate. It is the one kind of a poison in his library. And Bruno, who oftenly go there, he drink that as a poison as a drink. So, by drinking that, what happened? His body, half of the body get paralysis, and so that they were, now his wife called the writer and they rushed to the doctor. Out came his medical books and a feverish reference to index begin. What poison did you say, sir? Barium carbonate. Oh yes, BA, barium, salts. Oh, barium carbonate. Symptoms, paralysis. Treatment, injection of. Just a minute, sir. I will bring my syringe and the medicine. So now they put that Bruno to the doctor, and now doctor who is finding what is the medicine should be, what is the solution should be for the who drink the barium carbonate. So now he is finding out the solution or a medicine in his book. A dash back to the car, Bruno still floundering about on his stumps, but clearly weakening rapidly, some vomiting, heavy breathing with heavy flanks and gaping mouth. So these were the symptoms what Bruno was facing. Hold him every day. In goes the hypodermic. Bruno squeals. 10 cc of the antidote enters his system without a drop being wasted. 10 minutes later, condition unchanged, another 10 cc injected. 10 minutes later, breathing less, stertorous. Bruno can move his arms and legs a little, although he cannot stand it. 30 minutes later, Bruno gets up and has a great feed. He looks at us disdainfully, as much as to say, what is the barium carbonate to a big black bear like me? Bruno is still eating. So, between the 30 minutes that Bruno was facing lots of problem like vomiting, like suffering to the breathing and lots of things. But after 10 minutes, after 30 minutes, he get very well and he felt well. And when he opened his eyes, he was just watching to the writer and his wife like, oh, what happened now? What happened? I am okay. What is the barium carbonate to me? I am very strong. I can, I can win any war. He was feeling like that, and after that time he ate very well. Another time he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil which I had drained from the sump of the Studebaker and was keeping as a weapon against the inroads of termites. He promptly drank the lot, but it had no ill effects whatever. So after some time, it is the one incident that writer is telling us that on one time there was the 1 gallon of engine oil that Bruno had drank. The months rolled on and Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. He had equaled the Alsatians in height and had even outgrown them, but was just as sweet, just as mischief, just as playful. So now Bruno is growing old or growing young, and he was very fond of us all. Above all, he loved my wife and she loved him too. She had changed his name from Bruno to Baba, a Hindustani word signifying small boy. So now this is the very pure, and this is the Bruno was feeling very good with his wife, and his wife also loved the Bruno. So after some time she named him like Baba, and he could do a few tricks too. At the command Baba wrestle or Baba box, he vigorously tackled anyone who can forward for a rough and tumble, give him a stick and say, Baba, hold gun, and he pointed the stick at you. Ask him, Baba, where's baby? And he immediately produced and cradled affectionately a stump of a wood which he had carefully concealed in his straw bed. But because of the tenant's children, poor Bruno or Baba had to be kept chained most of the time. So it is the playing trick of a Bruno. When he have one small stick, when his wife command him like Baba shoot, then he made that stick as a gun, and when his wife is asking where is the baby, then again that stick became baby. So that Bruno made that stick as his baby. So this was about the very cute and very, you can say, naughty things about the Bruno. I will explain the next part in the next video. Thank you.